This video is for those who wants to start career in web design or web development. So the first language they will need to know is HTML. So HTML stands for hypertext markup language, which is used to create web pages. So basically in web page, whatever you see, paragraph, table, link, heading, everything will be structured using HTML, and then CSS to style them, and then basically you can go for any backend language to dynamically create HTML. So likewise, so first to create HTML or create your first web page, you will have to use any code editor, but I will recommend you should download this Visual Studio Code. First thing first, you will have to create a file, HTML file. So index.html. So whatever the file you create, index, I have given this name, but you can give any name. I'm giving index as most of the servers will have index as a starting page, that's why. So index.html, so .html is necessary. Okay, so first you will have to create the structure of that particular HTML page. In VS Code we have that if we type exclamatory mark then tab, so already the structure will be given in this particular thing. I will just zoom in so you can see. Wait, I will just close this one. Okay, so this is a HTML structure. So I will just explain. So doc type HTML means this particular document belongs to HTML. After HTML5, this is the syntax. Okay, then HTML, then lang for language, en for English, likewise. So you can see there are multiple tags, basically multiple opening bracket, closing brackets are here. So to understand this, understand the basic thing. So basically this document, HTML document have tags. So basically tags start with this opening bracket, then tag name, then it will close like this. So basically you can add in tag whatever the content you want to add, and then basically this is a closing tag. So to close, basically there will be a slash. Sometimes tags might be a single tag, so no need to add this two tags, so it will close like this. Okay, so for tags, a basic example is this: body start from here and ends with here, head start with here, head ends here. Okay, in head we have this text, in body right now we don't have anything. So basically whatever we type in body will be shown into a web page, and this head, so basically whatever related to that particular HTML page is inside this. So basically all the meta information, title of that particular page and all these things. So I will just write something and we will see in browser. Okay, so I have just saved this file. I will open this file into browser and then we'll see how it looks. So you can see something is written here, and the title we are seeing here, that document will be shown here. So if I change this title, my first page, so it will change here. I will just refresh this page. Okay, so rather than something, I will put some proper text. So one tag is there, p, this is for paragraph. So similarly, so paragraph, links, heading, image, all these things will have different tags, how to add that particular element. So this in HTML we call this element. So p for paragraph, so this is paragraph, simple. Then basically other tags, I can tell you there is one h1 tag. So basically this is a largest heading in HTML, h2, h3, h4, likewise it will be through up to h6. So h1 is the largest, h6 is the smallest. So heading 1, so likewise. So if I show you, so heading 1, this is paragraph. So similarly there are multiple tags, so I will just explain one by one. So one more tag is there for list. Okay, so in list there are two types of list. One is order list, means it will have 1 2 3 4 numbering. So in order list there is nested tags, means list, then there will be the multiple nested li. So list basically list elements we can say. So I will just write, so suppose this is a list of fruits, so it will be like banana, then apple, and then one more put, I will put orange. Okay, so I will just save this. Now you can see this list 1 2 3 like this. If this list was not ordered, then basically you can use unordered, so where bullet points will be shown, so likewise. Okay, then this list is done. Then you can add other thing like table. Okay, so table also will have nested tags. So first is table tag. Okay, in table we will have rows. Okay, so that tr tag. In tr we will have basically td, means table cells. Okay, so likewise. So I will just add 1 2 3. So 1, then this will be 2, and this will be 3. Okay, so this actually is table, but there is no border, so that's why it's not looking like a table. So I will just give some borders. So I will use border 1. I don't know this will work or not. Let's see. Okay, this is working, because these are the very basic syntax of HTML. So in actual use we don't use this one. So basically we use CSS to style this particular thing, and then in CSS we have other frameworks like Bootstrap, Tailwind CSS. So that's why. Okay, so this is particular table. Okay, then similarly you can add forms. Okay, so form, and form has this particular, if you can see all the tags we have seen, there was nothing separate like this. So form has this action. So basically action is the attribute of form. Okay, so if we want to submit this form, where it should be submitted, that will come here. Okay, for now I will just add one input. So input type text, and then I will add input type submit, which will be the button. Okay, and so if I see this, you can see refresh. So you can type here and submit query. So I didn't name anything, so if I put value equal to submit, then rather than submit query, it will have this particular thing. Okay, so like submit. So this is basically a form. So in form we have different type of different types of form elements, form inputs. So it's a type of text, then similarly it will be the type of password. Okay, so I will refresh. So this is text. If password, it will not be visible. So likewise. And there is one more tag I will show you, br. If I want this come after in next line, so I can use this br slash. So this is a single tag in which we have this. Okay, br slash. Then basically I will show you one link, how to add link into web page. So a for link, then href is the particular attribute, so where we want to send this page. So https, I will just add one link and then go to it called website. Okay, likewise. So if I refresh this, so you can see here is link, so I can click on this and will go to that particular website. So likewise, I'll just click back, I will refresh. So this is it. So next video we'll try to basically style this particular web page. Okay, then you will learn the basics of CSS.